Now, loud, don't forget. Oh, yeah, good, 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 good. Have a good look at that ring. Is there a hole in that ring? No? What's that then? Well, you're looking for a hole in the edge. You can buy a set of these for kids, and they have a hole cut through there so the children can play, being a magician. Yeah. Never buy the set made in Hong Kong. They have the hole cut through that side instead of that side. You can trust me. Now, step up to the microphone. Oh, by the way, so there's no holes in any of these. Have a good look. Okay? Happy? No holes in yours? No? No. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 solid steel rings. Pick two. These two or these two. It's up to you. Okay? Put your left arm right through the middle of there. Your left arm right through the middle. That. Right through the middle, right through the middle, right. No, not through the middle. Now, right. That's it. Aha. Now put your finger in your ear. Wrong finger, wrong ear. That's it. Okay. Now what you do, Toby, is you put your, I want to tell the audience a secret, so do the same thing on this side. Right, so fingers in your ears. Could you hear that? No? Must have worked. Right, now, finger in your ear. Scientific fact, you can't drop the rings. Now, Toby, or not Toby, have a look at that. Okay, that is a solid steel ring. You say, yes, Paul.
Yes.
This is another solid steel ring. You say?
Yes.
Good. Did you know there are people in the room tonight who can take solid steel rings like this and just rub them together like that, and they join together. One goes inside the other like that, and yet, like Mr. Snowflake, Mr. Parker,